What up, guys? You caught me working on this Raptor. So what, this probably looks like a mess. Look, the handles are missing, that handle's missing, this thing's all out. It's kind of jacked up right now. But we do this on purpose. We take this stuff apart, and we're kind of in the middle of this. My guy from YouTube just showed up, and so I thought I'd just show you a little bit what we're working on. Right now, we have all this extra material, and we're trying to get rid of it, and you want to be really careful because you don't want to cut the car because they hate it. They hate it. They really do. They would really like super mad at me, and then they probably would make me paint their car or something. So what we're going to try to do is avoid that. While we're doing this, I just wanted to show you a little bit of, like we talked before, framing. So we're going to frame this door out, and they do have kits for these, right? So they do have kits, but sometimes in the kits they'll sell it short, like I showed you in the previous videos. They won't fit right. They don't go back here behind the seal. So on some of these, I'll take the mirror out, which is like down here. That's typically where you see the mirror. I'll take the handle out, and then really you just have a big piece with a lot of overlapping edges. And so this is a bulk piece that I'm doing to try to hide every seam possible on this door. There won't be a seam on any part. It'll all go under the edges. And the customer's like, is it wrapped? I'm like, no, I didn't do it. I skipped that part. But of course I wrapped it. But this is the important part. I got to really focus so nobody cough or anything. Sometimes I hold my breath when I'm doing that. Super weird. It's kind of hard to talk on YouTube. But it's super dope as long as you don't make a mistake. So, wait a second. So now like I've got some layers here. If I just would have ripped up on that one, that would have ruined my other piece. That would have been a bad deal. I would have cried a little bit, and that would have been on YouTube. And my son would probably made fun of me. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is this. See, this is actually another bolt piece that we did here. One of the major problems I have with these kits is that they end really short, and I can't tuck them down in there. So I've just gotten spoiled by the way I like to do things, and that's try to hide every piece of edge possible. So that's what we're working on now. And this guy is ready for his truck back. Next on deck is this guy. He's so particular about his car. We get a lot of those clients here, and I'm thankful for him. He's probably one of the top. Let me show it to you real quick. This is pretty cool. So I told you greens were going to be hot, and they're a factory color. Check this out. Tell me this is not a hot green. You guys think this is a green, or is it like a gray? A green gray? So this is a X5. Super hot car. I think the color makes it. You know, a little bit of tint, some paint protection, a ceramic pro coating. It'll be off the charts. It'll be banging.